Guangzhou Qihao Artificial Arts and Crafts Company Limited is located in number 74 Yanbu Kangle West Road, Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province. Our factory covers an area of 2,800 square meters. We are a large artificial flower and plants exporter with more than 10 years' experience. We have strict quality control system and after-sale tracking service for all of our clients. We specialize in artificial flowers, wedding flowers such as wedding arch, table flowers, flower balls, flower panels, and so on. We also have various styles of single flower, rose, peony, tulip, lily, hydrangea, orchid, flower bouquet, artificial leaves, branch, and plant bonsai. We support customization according to customers' needs. We have a professional design team and management team. We have excellent service and quality. Each of our products has passed professional testing reports, which is odorless, non-toxic, and harmless. And they have the advantage of a long storage time and a wide range of application scenarios. They can be used for wedding, party, hotel, home, garden decoration. Our products are sold all over the world, including North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We have received many customers' good reviews. We hope all friends come to visit our factory, negotiate with us, and experience the quality and service of us. We look forward to cooperating with you. Welcome to inquire us about our products' more details. Thank you very much.